Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to make a cup of coffee and peek in again on my son who is still asleep, then head to our bedroom to throw on something comfortable and get our bedroom straightened up. Okay guys, I am almost done in the bedroom. I will be cleaning the kitchen because I was lazy last night and I didn't, that's my son, I didn't clean up the kitchen last night. It's not a lot of dishes, just a few dishes in the sink. Really?
And this is my tornado.
It's your tornado. Oh, they can't see it. You have to do it again. You have to, maybe I need to turn this little light off, maybe.
Yeah, that's better.
What the heck?
You rest.
Oh, it's bright. Ooh, it's bright. Okay, maybe show it now. Nope, the light. Okay, there we go. Look at the tornado.
This was an EF4.
That's an EF4. Yeah.
I created it.
You created EF4. Yep. So I have to clean off the dresser. I already did my nightstand. I have to do my husband's nightstand. And then I have to clean the bathroom a little bit. I'm not going to like deep clean that or nothing like that. It's just, I didn't wash the tub about when he got out of it last night. Did I wash the tub out? No, I didn't wash the tub out when he got out of it last night. So I have to just do a few more things and I'll talk to you all in a little bit. Okay, I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna make me a smoothie and I'm gonna make a couple of sausages and I'll probably make my son some cereal. You want some cereal?
No.
No? What do you want to eat?
Some sausages.
Okay, well he wants sausages too, so I'll make him some sausages. Oh, and that's another gift for my daughter that came by after the shower was over, so my best friend, brought that. So normally I do not cook when the kitchen's dirty, and it is dirty, but I'm using my air fryer to
Make some sausages.
yeah, make us some sausages. So since I'm just using that, I'm not really worried about these dishes. They're not gonna be in my way. So I'm gonna use the good old air fryer.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go.
So now my son wants a smoothie. So he thinks he's gonna get this huge cup full of smoothie. No, he's gonna get a little bit. So I'm gonna put half a banana just in case he doesn't want it. Oh, look! Dropped the banana. Anyway, let's just drop this one in there. And a couple strawberries, okay?
Uh-huh.
All right.
With me all the way. Every night, every day, promise will never change. Are you gonna love me with my flaws and all? Will we be enough?
For our quick breakfast, I went ahead and started on the dishes by putting a few into the dishwasher and washing the rest by hand.
Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe, yeah. But I wanna stay with you, and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise will never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise will never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now you gonna love me. Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Never fall. Promise me,
My husband had to run a few errands this morning and he's back home now. I'm making him a couple of turkey croissant sandwiches using my sandwich maker. Since the croissants are large, I first cook the egg and remove the center cooking tray to heat the sandwiches once it's combined. time to move on to wiping the counters, the table, and get the coffee station wiped down. After that, I'll be vacuuming the floor and getting it clean using my steam mop. I keep the letters for my coffee station sign in a cute mirrored box that I got from Z Gallery, and I'll be putting a phrase on the sign later. Picking up my oldest son from work. Hi, son. We went to Walmart yesterday and I was able to find a rug for my son's room, so I'm just going to get it opened up and vacuum and spray it with Lysol. I was able to buy a large bag of sage. I normally order my sage from a supplier on Etsy, nicely wrapped together like the one I have here on display. This is a Palo Santo stick that I have already lit. I often use the tray for my Palo Santo and the shell for the sage. Moving on to the master bathroom, I'm going to get the tub clean, wipe off the vanity, and clean both of the mirrors. cucumber to make some agua fresca water so I can have me something cool and refreshing to drink right now. And this cucumber is a little beat up. It looks bad, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this cucumber. And
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shake your hands on myself, I could pull in the trigger right. It's where I finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
my son build and tear down his cup tower after doing a challenge with his dad. I started on my skincare routine before taking my shower. I start with my very own vitamin C cleanser that's manufactured in a cosmetic lab that provides products to various companies, and I've been selling it on my website for about 2 years now, and my customers love it. I always follow up with a toner and a moisturizer, and I'm hoping to add those items as well to my cosmetic line.
Takes control.